This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Coinbase account. First, navigate to the Coinbase website or download their mobile application. You'll then enter your full legal name, email address, and create a secure password. After submitting, check your email for a verification link and click it to confirm your address. This initial step is quick and ensures your account is properly registered for future use. Next, you'll need to verify your identity to comply with regulations. This involves providing your date of birth, current street address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. You'll also upload a clear photo of a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Finally, complete a brief photo verification using your device's camera to confirm your identity. This process helps keep your account secure. Now it's time to link a payment method so you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can securely connect your bank account by logging into your online banking portal or by manually entering your account and routing numbers. Another option is to add a debit card for faster, instant purchases. Carefully review all the details to ensure your chosen payment method is correctly linked and ready for transactions. Finally, let's enhance your account security. It's highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication, preferably using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Always use a strong, unique password for your Coinbase account, perhaps with the help of a password manager. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts and only access your account through the official Coinbase website or app. These steps are crucial for protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.